Welcome to Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD. What is ADHD? Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is a neurological and behavior-related condition that causes difficulty in concentrating, impulsiveness, and excessive energy. Individuals with ADHD not only have a challenge in concentrating, but have a challenge sitting still. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, the number of children being diagnosed with ADHD is increasing, but it is unclear why. Most physicians and research indicate the increase in ADHD is causally linked to the food we eat.
When do symptoms of ADHD appear? While the symptoms often appear around the age of 7, ADHD can appear at any time throughout adolescence and beyond. Left untreated in children, ADHD symptoms can cause disruptive behavior at home and school. When directed to sit still and concentrate, it can be nearly impossible for some kids with ADHD. This can result in learning deficits, falling behind in school, acting out, and taking too many risks. Symptoms of ADHD: inability to sit still, easily bored and distracted, doesn't listen or seems not to process what is being said, difficulty in following even basic instructions, appearance of poor memory, prone to losing items, including schoolwork and personal items, talks quickly and incessantly, difficulty in completing tasks, ineffective organizational skills, impatient, general restlessness, anxiety, insomnia, large and frequent emotional swings, and emotional outbursts.
Food that improve ADHD symptoms. High-protein foods. High-protein meals that include clean sources of protein from grass-fed organic beef, free-range chicken, eggs, and wild-caught fish should be the focus of an ADHD diet for both children and adults. Iron-rich foods. Low iron levels are associated with fatigue, poor concentration and mental function, irritability, poor memory, and muscle weakness. Eating a diet rich in high iron foods is an essential part of a successful diet strategy for ADHD. Iron-rich foods include grass-fed beef liver and steaks, navy and black beans, spinach, Swiss chard, and egg yolks.
Foods high in B6 vitamins. Vitamin B6 is essential for brain function, including the production of dopamine and serotonin. Vitamin B6 rich foods include wild tuna and salmon, free-range chicken and turkey breasts, grass-fed beef, bananas, cooked spinach, sweet potatoes, and hazelnuts. Poultry. The essential amino acid tryptophan helps the body synthesize proteins and supports healthy serotonin levels. In many individuals suffering from ADHD, imbalances in serotonin levels is indicated. Additionally, serotonin is related to impulse control and aggression, two of the symptoms of ADHD.
Probiotics. Yogurt and kefir from grass-fed cows or goats, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other high probiotic foods should be a central part of a diet for ADHD. Omega-3 foods. Foods rich in omega-3s, such as wild-caught salmon and tuna, directly affect cognitive function in both children and adults. A clinical trial identified a link between low levels of omega-3 fatty acids and behavioral and learning problems. A successful ADHD diet will include 2 or more servings per week of salmon or tuna.
Foods to avoid: sugar, gluten, dairy, food coloring and dyes, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, MSG, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, also known as HVP, and soy.
For more information about our Flavors for Life culinary movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.